Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment. I would like to say something about this location because of this location actually so very mesmerizing place and historical place. I think it's a very amazing place. So dear friends, this is the big hill. Actually this hill actually so many album creator and content creator and they have come here shooting, that's why today I have come here with my friends. So I have come here because I visit this location, and if I talk about this area, so dear friends, this is the downside. So many people they have come here and visit this area and take some many photos. And dear friends, I am ascending the top of the hill, so that's why you can see and this video, dear friends, so very beautiful. And I ascending try to top of the hill, so I open my back camera. So dear friends, you can see very amazing, very mesmerizing scenery. And you have come here this location, your mind actually mind blowing and mind fresh. So this is the sky blue and sky color, actually black and green color. It's the very good, very amazing. So dear friends, right now I am ascending the top of the hill. So my three friends already ascending the top of the hill. Actually they have actually it's called Bengali language. তারা ঝর্ণাতে ডুব দিচ্ছে বা গোসল করতেছে. So I also go to here, so because I also মানে গোসল করতে যাচ্ছি আমিও. সো সাথে থাকেন. সো ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, this is the waterfall. Wow. So dear friends, this is the water, actually very mesmerizing, very amazing and mind refresh. So water actually non-stop waterfall this hill. And nowadays actually rainy season, that's why water actually non-stop waterfall. And so my mind actually my not language, I cannot very good explain this site. And you're spending time, you have come here this location. So thank you. My full blog I try and explain my full blog. So thank you, bye bye.